Hi everyone! In this video, we will simplify expressions involving multiplication or division with integers. Simplify -2 times -2 minus 24 divided by 5 minus 8. Before we move on, let's review the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. We also should review the multiplication and division rule when we have different signs. If I have signs that are the same, then the answer is positive. If I have signs that are different, then the answer is negative. Here I have -2 times -2 minus 24 divided by 5 minus 8. Using the order of operations, I must complete what's inside the parentheses first. So our first step will be 5 subtract 8. We can do that by adding the opposite so that it becomes 5 plus a -8. 5 plus -8, the signs are different, so we will subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then we take the sign of the larger of the two numbers. In this case, it is negative because 8 is larger than 5. So it's -3. This rule is different than the rule written over here with the signs being the same and signs different. This rule is for when we have multiplication and division. When I add and subtract, the subtraction means that I take the sign of the larger number between the two. Now we rewrite everything just as it was since we haven't done these calculations. Looks like we've completed all of our parentheses and we move on to exponents. And since I don't have any, we can move on to multiplying and dividing from left to right. From the left, I have -2 times -2. These are both negative, so the answer will be positive, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now I continue moving from left to right, and I have a division. 24 divided by -3. I can change this to add the opposite here, or I can do it on the next step. I'm going to go ahead and add the opposite so that my signs are the same. If my signs are the same, then the product or the quotient is positive. So this will be a positive. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So the answer is positive 8. Now that I've completed all my multiplication and division from left to right, I can move to adding and subtracting. 4 plus 8 is 12, and we've now simplified our expression all the way down to the answer of positive 12, and we're all done.